Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Amy Mantis and today I'm going to run you through part of what I like to call the hammer-on pull-off gauntlet. My teacher Eric Hoffbauer ran me through this 2 summers ago and I just drilled it for weeks and it made my hammer-ons and pull-offs so much better. So the first part is simple. We're going to do a series of hammer-ons. First finger, second finger, third finger. Our first finger's already down. But we're going to do on the 5th fret as 8th notes, across the strings and then back. So it's going to be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back. And the goal is to keep them even. And then we would go on to another finger pattern. So we'll do 1, 2, 4. And then 1, 3, 4. And then everyone's favorite, 2, 3, 4. And then we do those all again, or you can play them in whatever order you want, but we do them as triplets. So we would get, let's go back to our favorite one, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna do triplet, triplet. I wasn't planning on doing all of them, but there you have it. So then, that was the hammer-on half. And then we get the pull-off half, which is the same thing, except we're doing pull-offs. So I won't run through the whole one of this. So I say. I'm gonna change it up here. You get the idea. And there's a lot of benefits to this because it gets you using all 4 fingers in every order possible to do these. Now, that was one of them. The other one is the real gauntlet, and that's this thingamabob. You do that across the strings all the way. I made a mistake and then I got caught up in it. But it's okay, I would do it again if I was practicing for real, but I'm gonna show you a couple of the other patterns. So with that one, you go through every possible finger combination again. So we do 1 to 2 pull off, 1 and 3. So that would look like this. Whenever you see me making a mistake in one of these moments, it's me thinking about what I want to say as I'm playing something that requires a little more brain power than I want to admit. Still thinking about it. But anyway, next one you would do first finger and pinky. So on and so forth. Then once you do all the first finger combinations, you do second and third finger. Same idea, second and fourth finger. There's a link to download all of these exercises in the description below. And they're written with a bit more detail than what I'm showing you here. And then, of course, we do 3 and 4. And you can see exactly which one I have to go practice there. So I hope that you found this to be helpful, and if you do it, let me know. Drop a line in the comments. Tell me how it's going. Tell me what's giving you a hard time, if anything. If it's nothing's giving you a hard time, great. That's awesome. You're going to have a lot more fluidity to your hammer-ons and pull-offs that you hadn't maybe thought about before. And if they are giving you a hard time, just keep doing it. You will get there. But make sure that you don't keep practicing your mistakes. I've got a whole video coming up about that. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you again real soon. Cheers. Thanks for watching.